Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will show you guys how to edit your Gmail and customize it according to your needs. So in this video, you will learn how to show the important emails first or unread emails first, how to even change the theme of your inbox, and also how to change the sections that you want to see in your inbox. So let's head to my screen. So this is how your Gmail looks in the beginning, but you can edit how it looks and you can also edit how you want to see your emails. So firstly, to edit any of this, you need to click on this settings icon. You get all these tabs where you can just edit everything. Density is how much big do you want the email tab to look. Like default and comfortable is the same, but when I click on compact, it become all so many emails can be seen. You can also change the theme behind. So if I click on this, it changes to such a theme. So you can do such things. You can also load a theme of your own from the images in your computer. Now this is the inbox time. Here you inbox type. So here you can customize which all emails you want to see first. Say I click on important first. So all my important emails go first, and unread. There is also an option to see unread, starred, priority inbox and multiple inboxes first. But I'll go with default. You can also customize the default menu. Like you can see what all you want and you can check or uncheck it. Now the next thing is the reading pane. So if you want the pane right, then you need to put from right to right of inbox, or you can also put below inbox. So this was all that you can edit in your Gmail. If you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.